What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if mobile data is not working on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel, and here turn on and off flight mode 2 to 3 times. And after doing this, the mobile data settings will be refreshed and the mobile data will start working. But if you are still facing the issue, then check your network connection. So if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, it means your network is poor. So move to an area where you can get good signals, and after getting good signals, the mobile data issue will be fixed. But if your network is also working properly and you still having issue while using the mobile data, then the next solution is open settings, tap on more connectivity options, and then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Now tap on reset settings and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern to confirm. So when you will enter the correct pin, password or pattern, it will reset the network settings, and after resetting the network settings, the mobile data issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Now tap on about phone and then scroll down, and here tap on factory reset. Now here tap on erase all data to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default, and everything from your phone will be deleted, including photos, videos, apps, accounts, everything will be deleted. And after doing this, the mobile data issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix if mobile data isn't working on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.